Guys, I'm here with a possibly undocumented species of bird. Just go out there barefoot for now. Just rain, but who gives a shit? Let me see if I can sneak out. Get a good glimpse. These birds are really fucking timid. Motherfucker. Son of a bitch. Huh. Seriously though. It had the feathers of a turkey, yet red coloration. Red-headed woodpecker. Damn, that was fucking weird though. If I had a camera with the resolution of my eyes, I'd be able to see it. There's the fucking dickhead robins out there. Fuck you all. So, pretty much wraps it up here. So, yeah, we'll see you guys later. As I said in the description, I'll do all kinds of shit. Other shenanigans. And it will run me to the bone, but I've had things run me to the bone in my life. So, yeah. And this right here, with a good old goodbye. Bye.